I'm going to get my people to speak to your people. Sounds like mafia talk, but negotiations are at the core of every business, and it's a skill you need to master. So here's a few insider tips. You have to do your homework. Understand who you're dealing with. Look at their trading history and financial strength. Check their social media profiles and business reviews, all stuff you can find online for free. And rehearse your pitch, including a checklist of must-haves and weaker points. Prepare to concede these in the negotiation so they feel like they've won. Now on to the main event. The big day arrives and you've got opportunity looking right at you in the face. But you've prepared for this. So be calm, attentive, and listen. Don't be afraid to slow your speech and response time to give you time to think fast. Practice this and you'll come across as being measured. Leave your ego and emotions at home. Negotiations need a neutral attitude, and a flexible mind will get you the best outcome. If you're not happy, let it be known. But if it's going well, aim high and go for it. You don't want to leave negotiations with regret, so just ask for what you want, even if you think they might say no. Be bold and be conscious of your bottom line. Now, if you're caught wrong-footed and they offer first, that's just them being bold. Consider making a counteroffer and take back control, even if their offer is close to what you want. Maybe throw in a condition if you can't shift the price, and show how their needs will be met by your offer. Then there's closing the deal. I often hear people say they can't close a deal, but that's rubbish. It's just about confidence, and if you've prepped, you'll close like a master. Make sure your checklist is satisfied, thrash out any conditions, and then just pass on your lawyer's details. Remember, bring your best poker face and be ready to leave the table. If things turn sour, end the meeting positively and with dignity. Remember, desperation stinks. Other opportunities always exist, even if you can't see them today. And if you keep this attitude, you retain your strength. It's as easy as that. Don't leave negotiations to chance or luck. It sounds obvious, but sharpen your skills beforehand, and you may walk out with the deal of your dreams.